Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to allow everyone to see your bio on the Telegram app for PC. This feature was recently updated, and with just a few clicks, you can make your Telegram profile more visible to everyone. So, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it launches, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines. Click on them. This will open the main menu where you can access all your personal settings and options. Now, from that menu, find and click on Settings. Inside the Settings section, go to Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps all the options related to your account privacy, including who can see your information, phone number, and bio. Once you're inside Privacy and Security, scroll down until you find the Bio option. Click on it. A small window will appear showing different visibility settings. Here you can choose who can see your bio: nobody, my contacts, or everybody. To make your bio visible to everyone, select Everybody. This means anyone on Telegram, whether or not they're in your contacts, can see the short message or description you've written in your profile. It's perfect if you use Telegram for business, networking, or want to make your profile easily recognizable. After selecting Everybody, click Save to confirm the change. Telegram will instantly update your privacy settings. You don't need to restart the app or log out. The update takes effect right away, and that's it.